How to log out account of all devices on ShopPay. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign out of all devices on ShopPay. For this, open up any web browser and head over to shop.app and press enter. Once you get on this website and you are signed into your account, in order to sign out of all the devices on ShopPay, you have to click on the profile icon. Here you have two options, settings and sign out. Click on the settings option. Once you click on this option, it's going to bring you to another page. Now, on your settings, you want to scroll down and find the option of login and security. Once you click on this option, you have this option called log out of all devices. Click on this option. Now, on this box here, it says that it is going to log out of all the devices and browsers. Click on the log out everywhere option. Once you do that, you are going to be logged out of all the devices, including this one. And in this way, you can log out of all devices on ShopPay. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.